Lucas, what are we doing? What else we gotta do to here?
Paint.
Put new floors. Right?
Let's scratch the floor.
We gonna start on it?
Oh, look at the screw.
You have to take up the floor now. You see?
Now what do we do? We gotta vacuum all this? Now that the floor's out?
Get to it.
You get to it.
Hey.
You get to vacuum in, Lucas.
What?
Your toes are gonna be dirty. No?
You do it.
Alright, I'll do it.
I gotta upgrade.
Alright. Stuff over there, spray it, and put the fucking thing down. Every time vacuum,
What?
kept coming down.
And open it.
We're gonna wait to open that one.
No.
There's no floor in there right now.
We're almost done, then you can go in. Put the floor in.
It's not paper, it's breaking. You don't want to get the paint in your face or on your hand. You ordered yellow spray paint? For what? Oh, the outside of the boat. We're not doing that today. Doing that floor? Sand it down.
You got dirty already.
Give me the other floor.
I'm looking for it. Well, everything, I guess.
A dung. Yeah.
Alright.
Danger.
That was the last one. You gotta pick that pump up. Oh, we gotta put those two, we're gonna screw those two pieces of wood in, right, Nick?
They weren't screwed in.
They're just placed there?
They were just placed in.
Oh, they gotta be. Lucas, get him, don't stand behind the boat. Let's just come in this way. Go over here. Go in front of, go on the other side of Daddy.
Come over here. We need another can.
Because it's the wind out the other side.
Yeah, the bird.
There's one like
Shook up.
smells like ace. Come over here. This way. Yeah. A little bit, yeah. Might have to. That's like a sealant. What wood? Wait, is that like a sealant or actual paint?
It's like a sealant and undercoating.
Pause this for a little.
Well, the pouring is in now. Now it's time to sand down the hole and rewire everything.